Hello and welcome. This is Nasim. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up e-commerce purchase event for your Shopify store and send it to Google Analytics. And of course, I will use Google Tag Manager to set up this event. Let's track purchase event for this website and send it to Google Analytics. Okay. So I will use Google Tag Manager, of course. And if you are watching this video for the first time, I do prefer go to my YouTube channel and watch the playlist called Shopify Tracking. Then you will see all the step-by-step process I already uploaded on there, and this is the last step for setup Google Analytics, and because this is the purchase event. Okay, so let's see how we can make the purchase event. So if we want to send the event, we need to make the tag. So for example, I am going to click on new, and this is the new tag window is pop up, and just click on the tag configuration and select Google Analytics and Google Analytics GA4 event. Okay, the measurement ID you will get it from your GA4 property. Just copy and paste it. I already make a constant variable and I just added on there, and that's why it's a Google tag found in the container. So that's good. And this is the event section, so we need to input the event name here. I will copy and paste. So event template. Okay, so this is the event name, which is purchase, and with this event we need to send few essential parameter, because without sending the variables or event parameter with this event, you will not be able to see the purchase value and the currency on your analytics dashboard. So that's why it's must required to send the variables. And with the purchase event, this all the required variable you can send it with this event. For example, we need to send the currency, items, the value, and all of course we need to send. But in this video, I will not show you how to make all the variables. I just want to show you few of them, and with the same procedure you will able to make all the event. But if you are not too so expert, and if you need someone to help you to set up your configuration, you can definitely contact me. I have more than 6 years of experience. I will help you. Okay, so let's back on this topic and click on add parameter and see currency, and I already made the parameter called currency, and then value. With value we need to send the, so let me show you how you can make the value parameter. So just you need to copy the code e-commerce dot value, copy it and go here, click on the plus of this value section, and then hit plus again and make the data layer variable. Just watch these steps very carefully. Select data layer variable and paste the exact same name from there. Okay, don't need to add any space or remove any word from here. Okay, it's very sensitive. And this is ecom value. Okay, and then save it. So it's done, and this one by one you have to make for all. Okay, just copy this name, like the last word you need to copy and paste on the left hand side called event parameter. For example, the transaction ID, just copy it from the last name. Okay, for example, shipping, payment gateway, coupon, etc. So this is the transaction ID, so don't need to copy any space, and make like the same procedure. Hit the plus and again select the data layer variable and input this code here, and this is the transaction ID. Okay, so this is the same procedure. You will make all of this and then make the trigger. Go to plus and hit again on the custom event, and the trigger will be the purchase. Okay, just use purchase and save it. Again give it meaningful name of course, and then save. And when you have done, you can give the tag name also. So transaction ID value must, this value I don't know, it's very weird, so save it. So it's not empty, but it's feel like it's empty. I don't know why, so we can remove it. I think it's a bug, so don't worry about that. We can do it again. Transaction ID and give a name transaction ID and then save, and you can see it's done. Okay, so we have done. When your complete setup is ready, you need to submit and publish this latest version, then it will start working, otherwise it will not start working. Okay, but if you don't want to set up everything from manually, you can go to my website called nasimofficial.store. Here you will see I have made a step-by-step tutorial and everything done for you. For you will get a 100% done for you template. Just you need to export and import it, and inside of this product you will get everything, like you will get a step-by-step tutorial, and you can resell it, because also you can redesign the all that you think. So this is very good. So if you don't have any way that you can make money, then you can purchase it for one time and you can resell it, and if you have the store, it will be useful to you. Also you can resell it to your friends if you want. And also I have experience with Facebook pixel setup, Google Analytics setup, Snap pixel setup, TikTok pixel setup, all the tracking setup experience I have. So if you need an expert, you can contact with me, and if you want, we can work with on Upwork, because on Upwork I am a top rated freelancer and I have completed more than 294 projects on there, and I have 100% job success score. And you can see my all the product, all the service feedback is great. So I have experience. I hope this experience will help you if you are not able to set up your conversion tracking accurately for yourself. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Nasim. I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a great day.